The first one is Rosamond reduction. Here acetyl chloride undergo reduction in the presence of palladium, which is act as a catalyst, and barium sulfate, and which is act as a catalytic poison. So it gives an aldehyde CH3, C double bond O and H. So here acetyl chloride undergo reduction presence of palladium and barium sulfate. It gives aldehyde. And here barium sulfate, this barium sulfate is act as a catalytic poison. So it is act as a catalytic poison to the palladium, so that aldehyde cannot be further reduced to alcohol. So this is very important reaction. This Rosamond reduction, you will be getting question from this reaction. So what is the role of barium sulfate here? Here it is act as a catalytic poison. What is the action here? It is reduce. It is just to prevent the aldehyde further reduced to. Next one is Stephen's reaction. Here alkyl cyanide CH3 C triple bond N. This is a alkyl cyanide. When it is reduced using essential, that is tannous chloride, in presence of HCl, an imine is formed CH3 CH double bond NH. This imines further on hydrolysis, it gives corresponding aldehyde CH3 CHO. Next one is preparation of benzaldehyde. Preparation of benzaldehyde. When methylbenzene, this is methylbenzene, undergo oxidation, here chromyl chloride is act as a oxidizing agent. So methylbenzene undergo oxidation in presence of carbon disulfide, and this is act as a oxidizing agent here. This is chromyl chloride. It gives form an intermediate, then further it is treated with or undergo hydrolysis, it give an benzaldehyde. It give a benzaldehyde. This is benzaldehyde. This is one of the naming reaction, a very important reaction, Ittard reaction. The name of the reaction is Ittard reaction. Next one is Gattermann-Koch reaction. In this reaction, benzene is converted into benzaldehyde in presence of carbon monoxide HCl or aluminum chloride and copper chloride. So here benzene is converted into benzaldehyde. This is Gattermann-Koch reaction. Next one is manufacture of benzaldehyde from toluene. When toluene, this is toluene, or otherwise it is called as the methylbenzene. This toluene undergo a reaction in presence of chlorine in sunlight to give benzyl chloride, CHCl2. This is benzyl chloride. And this benzyl chloride undergo hydrolysis at 373 Kelvin. It gives benzaldehyde. Methylbenzene, or we can call it as the toluene. Here it first form the benzyl chloride when undergo chlorination in presence of sunlight. Further on hydrolysis at 373 Kelvin, it gives benzaldehyde. Next one is preparation of ketone. Preparation of ketone: acetyl chloride CH3 C double bond O Cl. This is acetyl chloride. In 2 molecules of acetyl chloride, when it is treated with dimethyl cadmium, this is CD CH3 CH3 dimethyl cadmium, it gives an acetone, 2 molecules of acetone. Here this is removed as cadmium chloride CdCl2, then remaining CH3 C double bond O CH3 C double bond O, the C of acetone formed. Next one is preparation of phenyl ketone, that is Friedel-Crafts reaction. Here acetyl chloride CH3 C double bond O Cl. This is acetyl chloride. This acetyl chloride undergo reaction with benzene. Here acylation takes place in the presence of aluminum chloride and water. First aluminum chloride and second one is undergo hydrolysis. It form acetophenone. This is acylation reaction. Acylation means this group is added to the benzene ring. The same way benzoyl chloride C6H5 C double bond O Cl. This is benzoyl chloride. When it is treated with benzene in presence of aluminum chloride AlCl3 followed by hydrolysis water molecule. Here also benzylation takes place. This group is added to the benzene ring. So we will be getting CO C6H5. Name of this compound is benzophenone. So these are all the general method of preparation of aldehyde and ketones. Thank you.